everyone, we're here to unbox a little phone mount. This was quite cheap online. It comes with a ball head, so that got my interest. A lot of the others are more expensive than this, and they don't come with anything. I haven't opened this before. I don't really know what to expect, so we'll just open it and see what it's like. It's supposed to be able to take quite large mobile phone. Some of them are, I don't know if you've seen some of them are quite small. So, okay, so it's called KDD, and you get instructions. Looks like it says it can go to 6.3 inches, 2.5 inch. Okay, all right, we'll find all that out in a second. I'll put that down there. You can leave that there in case you want to look at it and look that up online. So there's the ball head. I don't expect much from the ball head. It'll be a pretty cheap little ball head, but as long as it does what it's supposed to do. Get it out, plastic. So yeah, standard quarter fitting down the bottom, standard quarter fitting here. This is plastic. This is metal. It feels like the ball's metal. The twist knob's plastic, but you're only talking about holding a phone, so that should be fine. I wasn't expecting. Sorry for the interruption, but yeah, let's carry on. So yeah. So this is the holder. We'll have a little look at it. Okay, so it's got the fold out, and I've got another phone here which I'll just move that box. You probably don't need that. Okay, yeah, so it's got a spring loaded section, but it's also adjustable at that end. So should be able to adjust that to fit most phones. This is a Samsung phone with quite a wide case on it. Okay, we'll see it fits that okay too, even there. So that's quite good, but you can tighten or loosen it from there. You've got, try and get that in the light, an accessory port here. So standard cold shoe type port, so you can put a light or something on there, or another one of these potentially. 1/4 inch mount there, so you can mount it onto this or some other ball head or whatever 1/4 inch you want to use. So that looks quite good actually, and I think the price was surprisingly cheap. So I'll take that back out. I don't know how wide that will actually go, but it looks like it'll go quite wide. Yeah, looks quite. Yeah, so you can fit quite a big phone in there, because that Samsung phone that I had, it's quite big anyway. So yeah, that looks quite good for the price. Sit it on there, sit it on a tripod. You can mount it to go sideways or whatever you want to do. So that looks quite good. I'll do a update if there's anything odd that I find, or if it falls apart, or whatever else happens. I'll just add this on the end. This is the quite common type phone holder that you will get, which is spring loaded, has a 1/4 inch fitting, so you can still mount that. There's no way to get it to go vertical, although this one you're going to have to use the ball head to get it to go vertical. So if you mount that into something, you can get it vertical. Well, it doesn't quite go exactly vertical either. So if you had that on something, you'd have to be holding it. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see a slight angle there. So it doesn't actually go 90 degrees. It goes close, Don't know whether that'll be a problem or not. Like I said, I'll start using it and see. I'm not this ball head that it came with. I probably won't be using that. I'll probably use something else, but I don't know. I might. Anyway,